Scheduling can sometimes be a laborious process for many business owners. Now, going back and forth with clients about availability, sending confirmations, and rescheduling can seem like a full-time job on its own. But it doesn't even need to be that way, which is why I'm making this video for you to show you the best appointment scheduling apps and to remove you from most of the process. Now, leaving you to show up and do your job on time. Now, a scheduling app or appointment booking app is a special tool that allows clients or customers to book time with you automatically. Now, it uses a web portal that shows your calendar options and lets the scheduling party pick a time that works best for them and works best for the two of you. Now, all appointment booking service providers offers their own unique functionality, but the best ones include a combination of the following features, which includes flexibility, customization, calendar integration, and business tool integration. So without further ado, here's the list of the best scheduling apps of 2023. Now, in the meantime, don't forget to click the like button. Zoho Bookings. Now, Zoho Bookings is an online appointment booking tool created to streamline the entire booking and appointment process. Now, it syncs with your calendars while letting customers self-schedule and pay for appointments. Now, you can bid goodbye to double bookings, no-shows, endless emails, and delayed payments. Now, Zoho Bookings offers 3 scheduling plans, which includes the free forever plan, which is available for free per one user. It includes email notifications and calendar synchronization. Now, the basic plan, which you can get the features you need for $8 per user per month with annual billings, or $6 per user per month with monthly billings. Then there is the premium plan, available for $9 per user per month with annual billings, or $12 per user per month with monthly billings. Appointee is the next scheduling apps that I'll be suggesting for you today. Now, Appointee was founded by Nimesh Singh in 2006 in India. Now, the appointment booking tool targets businesses in the service industry. Appointee has Square payments and Reserve with Google in their free plan. Now, it offers 4 different plans. With its free plan, clients receive automatic reminders, but you are limited to 100 appointments per month. Now, the growth plan is a better option for busier individuals, although it is a bit pricey at $19.99 per month. Now, it includes live chat and email support to help troubleshoot issues. It also allows up to 2,000 appointments per day, which is more than you should seriously need. Now, the next plan is the professional plan, which is available for $49.99 per month and expands usage from 1 team members to 5. Now, users can purchase gift certificates to give away. Then there is also the enterprise plan, which is available for $79.99 per month, and it adds text customizations, and it also removes all appointee branding. Moving on to the next appointment scheduling tools is Calendly. Calendly is one of the most famous appointment scheduling tools in the market today. Now, Calendly helps you schedule meetings without the back and forth of sending and receiving emails. Now, it was founded by Tope Awotono in 2013. Now, the appointment to target teams in sales, recruiting, and the education industry. Calendly integrates with Google Meet, GoToMeetings, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, and Zoom conferencing to give you your preference in meeting host. Now, you can even integrate Calendly to Slack and Intercom for better workflows. Now, Calendly has 2 basic premium plans. The Essential plan, which is available for $8 per person per month, while the most popular professional plan is available at $12 per person per month. Now, you get team event scheduling, links to confirmation pages, and metrics and reporting as you move up the platform options. Now, it also increases the calendar connections per person from 1 in the free plan to 2 in the Essentials and 6 in the professional plan, giving you more options for appointment types. Fresher. Now, Fresher is a unique appointment booking tool that is best for salons trying to build a client base. Now, it caters to hair salons, spas, and individual stylists. Now, in short, Fresher is a marketplace for the beauty industry, offering its members a subscription-free platform for booking appointments, processing payments, and promoting their businesses. Now, a Fresher listing basically exposes more consumers to your beauty brand. Now, Fresher users enjoy unlimited calendar bookings for an unlimited number of team members and locations. The tool works on both mobile and desktop devices. Now, Fresher doesn't integrate with any third-party calendar tools, but its platforms comes with payment processing and a POS system that scans product barcodes and prints customer receipts. Now, lastly, you should know that using Fresher is free in exchange for listing on the marketplace. Moving on to SetMore. SetMore was created in 2011 by Bryce Morrow as an offshoot of parent company Full Creative. Now, seeking an online scheduling solution to address customers' need for an online scheduling solution. Now, SetMore offers 3 plans that are available with monthly billing or annual billing. Now, the free plan offers SetMore's basic features such as unlimited appointments, payment reminders, and payment with Square. Now, the premium plans is also available for a special promotion of $5 per user per month with annual billings of $12 per user per month. Now, the Pro plan is suitable for businesses and the features there includes everything from the premium plan. Moving on to Simply Book Me. Now, Simply Book Me is another interesting appointment scheduling software that was created in 2011 by Ingvar Godmundsson. Now, the company headquarters are now in Cyprus with 3 external offices, 2 in Ukraine and 1 in Iceland. Simply Book Me primarily targets businesses in the health and wellness industry. The app offers its users 4 plans starting with the free version. Now, the free plan limits users to 50 bookings per month with up to 5 users. And the next plan, the basic plan, is available at $8.25 per month, which increases bookings to 100 per month with up to 15 users. It also allows you to offer coupons and gift cards and integrate with sales platforms. Then there is the standard and premium plans, which is up for $24.9 per month and $49.9 per month respectively. Now, the key difference between these 2 plans is that the premium plans allows for link removal so that you can simplify calendar listings and the number of bookings allowed. Now, the standard plan allows 500 bookings per month, while the premium plan allows 2,000 bookings per month. All plans comes with a 14-day free trial. Square Appointments. Now, Square Appointments is part of the Square platform, which offers software and hardware products for service-based businesses. Now, Square Appointment is useful for services that require appointments, send reminders and confirmations to customers, and also accepts online payments such as salons, spas, and medical offices. It is a standalone product that can be used on its own or in conjunction with other Square products such as Square Points of Sales and Square Invoices to help businesses streamline their operations. Square Appointments offers 3 basic plans. You should keep in mind that unlike most of the other scheduling apps, Square Appointments offer pricing on a per location basis rather than a per user basis. Now, for businesses looking to schedule and manage appointments for multiple users, this can make Square Appointments the more affordable choice for you. Now, before I go, here's what you need to know about choosing scheduling or appointment booking apps. When you're looking for the most suitable scheduling app, you may want to first find out that it is easy for you to use and easy for your client to use. Now, for many people, the more the app can sync and integrate with automatic workflows, the more useful it will be for them. Now, while most scheduling apps offer a free version, most users will want to upgrade to a paid version with more features that make scheduling appointments or resources easier. This is why it's important to look beyond the free version and see whether or not the paid versions will incorporate the features that you need for your business or your personal use. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the best appointment booking apps you will find anywhere on the planet today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to follow this channel, and you can also visit our website on www.techiebytes.com for more interesting tech content. Now, till next time, that will be here again to bring you a fresh edition of this show. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you at the other side.